Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management, DEM, a centralized solution enabling law enforcement agencies to store, manage, share, and analyze ever-increasing digital evidence collected from documents, images, bodycam, dashcams, CCTV and drones. Workflow is the set of complex activities, or processes that occur concurrently, to achieve certain objectives sequentially. These activities are functionally dependent on one another, like processing speed, memory allocation, and other operations. VIDIZMO DEM includes workflows, like copying evidence, encoding, tamper verification, document processing, image processing, etc. Each workflow involves one, or more activities, or processes, that enable you to track the order and execution of the sub-processes. In this video, we will be taking a look at the understanding and viewing of workflows. To view workflows, click on the navigation bar, and select Workflows from the control panel. Here you can view various parameters, such as title, workflow name, workflow state, author name, added and modified date with completion percentage, etc. These workflows undergo multiple states to help evaluate the level of success for completion in a state cycle. Pending refers to the uninitiated workflow. Running refers to the workflow in the process. Finished refers to the workflow finished on the user end. Finished with error is the workflow finished on the user end with an error. Completed refers to the complete execution of the workflow. Failed is the failure in execution. Rolled back is the user interruption to undo changes made. And canceling refers to the activity that has been cancelled. To filter the workflows, click on the filter icon from the workflow queue page. Here you can set duration by adding start and end date, enter the keyword for the title, select workflow, or state of the workflow, and the event that generates the workflow from the list. Once you are done, click Apply to filter. From the workflow results, click Details to track the individual progress of the sub-processes within the activity. It will enlist activity parameters such as its state and processing start time, etc. to help detailed analysis of the workflow. You can also view error details and reset the state of the workflow as well. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.